Let's learn how we can use fluorescence to help us identify minerals. Fluorescence is the emission of light by a mineral when it's exposed to UV light. This property may cause a sample to take on a different color and appear to glow. Only a small percentage of minerals fluoresce, with cations like tungsten, lead, manganese, and chromium acting as activators for fluorescence, while iron and copper impurities can reduce fluorescent properties. This calcite sample fluoresces orange under long-wave UV light because it contains manganese, while this sample of citrine doesn't fluoresce since it contains iron. To view a mineral's fluorescent properties, it's helpful to have a source for long-wave and short-wave UV light. Long-wave UV light is any wavelength between 315 and 400 nanometers, while short-wave UV light is anywhere between 100 and 280 nanometers. Both can be useful since the same mineral may fluoresce a different color when exposed to different wavelengths of light. These lamps can be dangerous, so it's important not to look directly at the light and to wear eye protection while using it. The lamps that are commonly sold in stores, black lights, emit only long-wave UV light and visible light that are not suitable for professional mineral studies, but this is enough for simple tests. Fluorite gets its name from its fluorescent properties, so it's no surprise that it's one of the most common minerals that exhibits these properties, although the color it takes on may be different depending on the sample. In identifying minerals, if your sample fluoresces, then it must be a fluorescent mineral, but if it doesn't fluoresce, it may still be a fluorescent mineral that doesn't fluoresce for whatever reason. This sample doesn't fluoresce, for example, but it is still another sample of fluorite. Keep in mind that the location a sample was found in and the color of the elements within a particular sample are factors that will affect the color it fluoresces, so usually the main identification factor in differentiating between different types of minerals is just if it exhibits fluoresces or not.